Here's a 2018 Ford F-150 Super Crew, 40,000 mile, 200 with clean Carfax in black. Really tough vehicle and combination of equipment, bed length, engine in the market today. If you're an avid Ford customer or someone maybe that's just looking to switch to Ford and you're on a hunt for specific bed size or engines, this one has the right combination and it isn't very hard to come by. So I'm just going to kind of go around it and you'll see all the wonderful features this vehicle has. We're going to start here at the front. It does have the chrome pack. The chrome pack gives you the chrome bumpers front and rear, as well as the chrome grille with the chrome background or surround behind the 2-bar grille. And it also gives you the chrome tow hooks that you can see there. Halogen headlamps, integrated fogs. As we continue around to the side, the next thing this chrome package gives you is the big 20-inch chrome wheels. Now 18s are standard. This does have the upgraded chrome 20-inch wheel, and it's on matching tires that are probably 3/4 tread or better. You also can see a nice shiny rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive, do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. Find the results of the inspection signed up by the technician that performed it in the glove box of our cars. I'll show you that report directly. Next thing you'll notice as we look in through the passenger side here, dual power seats, full power seat, 10-way on the passenger as well as the driver. Does give you the power lumbar as well. Also, we've got a 40-20-40 fold down split bench seat, which allows for 6-passenger capability, which is very nice. You don't have the full console. Otherwise, two-tone, light gray cloth covered seating, dark charcoal interior, two-tone throughout. And I do want to show you the report here. We do have the books as well, as you can see. And on the mechanical report, you can see all the tires are 10s. That's a light new, brand new, or 12. So they're all 10s. That's 80% or better. And all the brakes are new all the way around front and rear. We do not skimp on wearables in today's day and age. This thing got a filter service, new cabin air, new air filter, all new brakes all the way around, light new tires all the way around, fresh PA inspection and oil change. We do not skimp. We go completely over these cars. We want to give you a light new car, both mechanically and cosmetically. Now we're into the back seat. Very spacious on the crew cab. All kinds of leg, hip, and shoulder room. And on the back, you can see it does have a 12-volt power supply. Help keep your electronic devices charged up. Another thing the chrome package gives you, it gives you the chrome door handles. Also gives you the chrome 5-inch flat door-to-door factory running boards. The next thing that makes this truck unique, 6.5-foot bed. A lot of them that are out there do not have the power equipment on the interior or the amenities this truck has. They're also 5.5, 145-inch wheelbase trucks. This is a 157-inch wheelbase, 6.5-foot bed truck, and you can see zero oxidation on the frame rail. See there, wheels are in good shape. All the tires match. Continuing to the back, next thing you'll notice does have the ultrasound park assist. Does have the class 3 tow hitch with the integrated wiring. Does have the backup camera. No bed liner in this truck. Obviously, we got a couple scratches in the bed, but you can see it is a nice truck. The other thing it has does have the tailgate step on it to help you get up into the truck. Continuing around to the other side, just showing you all the tires match. Zero rust on that frame rail either. Then a look through the driver's side rear. Very clean interior, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner was a non-smoker. All Fords give you the combo entry exit, allow you to leave your proximity key in with the engine running and use the combination code to gain access. Again, like I said, full power options on the driver's side as well. We do have heated mirrors, power windows, and power locks are located right there on the door. And we'll show you the exact mileage, 40,159 miles. Also want to show you we always keep a copy of the auto history report on the dash. You can see no accidents or damage. Now I reported 2 owners. You can see it says 3, but the reason is the second owner was the same owner. You can see owner 2 only owned it for 1 month, owner 3 4 days. It's actually the same owner. It was just a change of title state, and so Carfax recorded it as another owner, but it is not. So it's actually a 2-owner vehicle. As we continue down here, we got your cargo light, got your fog lights, got your automatic headlamp control, got your dimmer for your interiors, got your electronic parking brake and your power adjustable pedals. Stem to the left, high beams turn signals. We got a column shift with the drive mode tow haul button on the end and the ability to select any of the gears in the middle. We got your control pad for your center display. See tire pressure monitoring, your different distance till empty, tripometers, your different gauges. Also the cruise to the lower left, audio controls on the right, and your Bluetooth sync hands-free on the lower right. Electronic shift on the fly, four-wheel drive transfer case. It does have the trailer package with your backup assist. It does not have the proportioning or your brake controller, but that can be added for a factory one, can be added for I think $250, so it's very minimal cost, and it will be the factory one it'll put right in there if that's something that you require. As you can see, big touchscreen. This is actually the 302A pack, so here's another thing that's hard to come by. You got the big touchscreen radio. You can see it is nav equipped, and as we go back, we also got your AM FM satellite radio. We also got your ability to pair a phone. Again, there's your full screen nav. Got your customizable downloadable apps and your radio settings. Analog controls are below that with a single disc CD. The other thing the 302A pack gives you is the heated cloth seats, so you can see driver and passenger heated seats. Down below that, the two USBs, a 12-volt power supply, the two floor cup holders with the two center console cup holders, and then a little tray in here to keep your belongings. Another thing this has the power rear sliding window, has the auto dim rear view mirror with LED map lights. We got mirrored visors on the driver's side, non-illuminated, and on the passenger side. And then over here, we got two more power supplies. So, like I say, big screen, heated seats, got the trailer package, lots of equipment, long bed. And the last thing that this truck has that's getting hard to come by is the 3.5 liter twin turbo Ecoboost 6-cylinder engine. There are an awful lot of 2.7 liter displacement 6-cylinder engines out there. There's a fair amount of 5.0s, but these 3.5s are getting hard to come by. You can see clean and quiet, no exhaust leaks, fluid leaks, no corrosion on the battery terminal. Very well maintained by the previous owner. All your essential check and fill points have some yellow caps there and dipsticks to kind of help you navigate. So, one last thing. Another thing the 302A pack gives you is factory remote start, and we do have two sets of keys. We always promise two sets of keys. We just have one in there right now, but we will have two. Now, showed you the mechanical evaluation. Practically brand new tires, all new brakes all the way around. Showed you the auto history report, no accidents, actually two owners on the vehicle. Last part of making informed buying decisions, cosmetic appearance. Just walk the truck here real quick. It's in excellent shape. Little tiny nick there on the door, but a couple little tiny stone chips on this driver's door. Very, very small. I'll be very picky here. A couple little minor scratches there. Another little tiny stone chip. Actually, that might be dust. Yep, came right off. Buffed out a very minor scratch there. Just a little dust there as well. A lot of this is just dust. But you can see zero dents down that whole side. We buffed out. Couple little minor scratches there. Tailgate looks pretty good. Couple little scratches here across the top, but nothing hateful. Couple little ones here as well on this side, and a few back over here. Touched up one there. But otherwise, the bumper's in good shape. Tailgate's in good shape. Let's work our way around this bedside here. This is probably the worst of the damage. You can see we touched up a heavier scratch right here on the tailgate. You will notice fair amount. If there's any damage on a truck, it's usually on the bedside. So let's face it, people use trucks to do work. So those three scratches on that bedside are probably the worst of any damage that I've seen on this particular vehicle. The doors look fine, the fenders look fine, front bumper looks good. And let's just take a quick peek at the hood here. Hood's in excellent shape. So If you're interested, this truck will not last long with the equipment packages that it has. A few ways of getting a hold of us. Oh, and by the way, the Ford comprehensive warranties and powertrain warranties are transferable to the next owner, so you can buy with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Look us up online at www.allthingsautomotive.com or give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.